Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce Symmetry to you to help you with your learning for the week. Please bear with me while I share my screen. Symmetry. So the aim of today's session is to recognise line symmetry in 2D shapes. Success criteria. I can label 2D shapes, which you should have done last week, and that I can identify lines of symmetry in a shape. Symmetry. We are looking at reflective symmetry. Reflection symmetry is where one half of the image is the reflection of the other half. You could fold the image in half and both sides would match exactly. If you look at these pictures, both sides of the line are exactly the same. There is no difference between either side. It's called a line of symmetry. If we look at these shapes here, we can see lines of symmetry. They don't all go down the middle vertically like this. They go across. This is a moon shape. We've got the same at the top and the same at the bottom. Look at this shape here. The line of symmetry goes through the middle horizontally so that the top is the same as the bottom. It's called a line of symmetry. In this shape here, it looks a bit like a stop sign. We've got the line of symmetry diagonally to show the two sides are the same. And here we've got, it looks like a bit like a Pac-Man shape or 3/4 of a circle. We've got the line moving diagonally across the shape to show two sides are the same, a line of symmetry. Have a look at these real life objects. Can you spot any lines of symmetry? Where would you put the line of symmetry to show that both sides are the same? They're equal. Is there more than one? Let's look at the snowflake. I could put my line of symmetry vertically down the middle. It would be the same, but I could also put a line horizontally across the middle, because then the top and the bottom would be the same. Look at the butterfly here. I could put the line of symmetry down the middle, because both sides would be the same. Couldn't put one across the middle horizontally because the top is not the same as the bottom. Does anybody recognize this flag here? This is the England flag. If we put the line of symmetry down the middle, both sides would be the same, but I could also put a line of symmetry horizontally through the middle to have the same on both sides. Look at my pencil. If I put the line horizontally in the middle, it wouldn't be the same on both sides because the top has got a red rubber and the bottom doesn't. So I couldn't put it, oh, I just lost you, sorry. Couldn't go across the bottom. If I put it down the middle, both sides would be the same. Let's look at the house. If I put my line of symmetry down the middle, it would be the same on both sides vertically, but if I put my line across the middle horizontally, it wouldn't be the same on both sides because we've got a roof at the top and we haven't got one at the bottom. So there's only one line of symmetry here. If I look at this road sign with an arrow going up, if I put my line of symmetry vertically down the middle, it would be the same on both sides. But if I put my line of symmetry across the middle horizontally, it wouldn't be the same on both sides because we've got the point of the arrow here. We haven't got one at the bottom, so it's not the same. Let's have a look at this. I'm going to try and show you with my lines how we could look for some lines of symmetry in a 2D shape. If I put my line vertically down the middle, is it the same on both sides? Yes, it is, isn't it? What about if I put a line of symmetry across horizontally? I'm doing that very well. It's not quite in the middle. There we go. It's the same on both sides, at the bottom and the top. So I found 2 lines of symmetry there. Let's try putting it horizontally through the middle here. Is it the same at the top and the bottom? Is it a mirror? Is it reflective? No, so I can't have that one. Let's try down the middle. Is that the same on both sides? It's not, is it? Because we've got a pointy side here. I wonder how many lines of symmetry there are in this shape then. I haven't found any yet. What if I try diagonally? Is it the same on this side as this side? No. So this shape has no lines of symmetry. Let's have a look at my hexagon. It's got 6 sides. If I put my line of symmetry vertically down the middle, is it the same on both sides? Yeah. What if I try horizontally across the middle? What do you think? It's exactly the same. I'll try another shape. What about my pentagon? A pentagon has 5 sides. I try vertically first. Is it the same on both sides? Yes, it is, isn't it? If I try horizontally through the middle, is it the same on both sides this time? No, it's not, is it? So that's not a line of symmetry. Have a think about these shapes down here. Can you spot any lines of symmetry? Are there one, more than one, or not any at all? Have a think. Maybe have a chat with your grown-up. I hope that helps you today, thinking about symmetry and finding lines of symmetry within shapes. Good luck with your work this week.